Hi there, this is Liz with Simply the Lizziest Baking. And in this video, we are making a southern delicacy known as peach cobbler. Now, this peach cobbler is off the charts delicious. It is a thick layer of peaches topped with a buttery, sweet, golden brown crust. And it is super easy to make with just 4 ingredients. Yes, I said 4 ingredients. And I need to let you know it can be made with frozen or canned peaches, so it can be made all year long. Let's get to baking.
To make this 4 ingredient peach cobbler, you will need 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 1/4 cups of butter at room temperature, 1 1/2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour, 4 1/2 to 5 1/2 cups of peaches. They need to be cut into bite-sized pieces that are between 1/4 and 1/2 inches thick. To make this easy 4 ingredient peach cobbler, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine 1 1/4 cup sugar, 1 1/4 cups room temperature butter, and 1 1/2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour. Combine until crumbly and set aside. Next, place your peaches that have been cut into bite-sized pieces into a 9 by 13 baking pan that has been greased or sprayed with baking spray. Next, sprinkle the sugar, flour, butter mixture over the peaches. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes or until it's golden brown. Let cool or devour immediately.
You guys, this is delicious. I hope that you will enjoy this as much as me and my friends and family have. And I guarantee you, this peach cobbler recipe will take a little peach of your heart with every bite. Now, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and look forward to more videos. And peace, love, and peaches.